Today we are fishing at Prado Lake in Ontario, California. I think it's Canada, but it's not. I'm using my new Berkley, you can't really see it that well, Trout Doe series. And put some night crawlers on there, the wild worm night crawlers. We'll see if we can catch some big fish. Some people over there. Goes right in front of me, laughing at me. And so I'll get back to you and see if we can catch anything. See ya!